So right now we're measuring out 0.125 grams of copper sulfate.
Okay, I'm pouring my copper sulfate pentahydrate into a small beaker. We're going to dissolve it in water. And we measured out 0.125 grams on the balance. All of our salt into the water, and we're going to cup our hand around it to warm it up, and we're just going to swirl it around to dissolve it. So now we are going to slowly add ammonia into our solution until it turns a clear dark blue color. Wait, hold it up a little bit. Right, now we are going to transfer our solution into our 25 milliliter volumetric flask.
So is this what we use the pipette for?
The volumetric flask, and now we are going to add an additional 10 drops of ammonia.
Notice how our concentration is clear and you can see a hand.
Now we're going to put some water in here, and we are slowly going to add it into our volumetric flask until it hits the line. So now I'm adding the water into the flask until it hits the line. The meniscus hits the line, correct?
The meniscus, also known as the curve that exists on the surface of a liquid when it's placed into a container.
So right now, we're priming our pipette. So we're adding a small solution, or a small amount of our stock solution into the pipette, and then we're gonna mix it up and swirl it around the pipette.
Okay, now we've already primed our pipette, and now we're gonna draw some of our stock solution up, and we're gonna go to the 5 milliliter line, and then we are going to be transferring it into our volumetric flask. Now we are going to be filling the rest of this up with water until we hit the line, and if it starts to become cloudy, we're going to add some ammonia. Solution into a small beaker. Okay, so this is going to be our stock solution. And transfer it into here.
All right, here's our stock solution. It's fully finished.
Now it's time to prepare our dilutions. Okay, so now we've obtained our 5 cuvettes, and we are going to be putting each one of these in here, and then we're also going to be putting some plain water in one of them. First, we are going to be adding the stock solution into this cuvette.
The dilution equation is C1V1 equals C2V2. A stock solution is a highly concentrated solution used as the starting point for creating a less concentrated diluted solution, or the C1V1 in the equation, while a dilution involves adding solvent to the stock solution, decreasing its concentration while increasing its volume.
We have our absorption of our first dilution, and now we're going to do the second one, and we can walk through it. So here's our second dilution, and we are going to clean the sides that the light is going to pass through very thoroughly.
Because she said there's like another application that we're taking.
Now we are going to place it in here, close our lid, and if you look up here, we're just going to press start, X out of that, and then right up here in the corner, that's our absorption number. And we're going to note it. Yes. See, from the first and second dilution, it has gone up in number, therefore there's more light passing through.